Okay, we're going to try some new things. Today, I'm going to teach you how to export your Blender model, rigged Blender model, from Blender, and I'm using 2.79, and I'm using the Erica body, from Blender into Marvelous Designer. And I have Marvelous Designer 12. Today is December 2nd, 2022. So if you're using the older version Marvelous Designers, this probably won't work for you. If you're using the newer ones, this will likely work for you. Okay, so first thing I want to do, because in my file, the feet are not joined, I'm going to join these. Object, join. And now it's one mesh. Okay, deselect the body. Select the armature. Then select the body. And then you go File, Export. We are not doing it as a Collada. We're definitely not doing it as an Avastar. We are going to do it as FBX. Don't ask me why it works this way, but it does. You do want the only deformed bones checked in the armatures. So when you come in, it'll be like all of these will be selected. In the main, you want selected objects. So it's only going to get your selected objects. And your armature is only deformed bones. These other ones don't seem to matter. So we're going to name it try2.fbx. You can name it whatever you want. Export FBX. Cool. Alright, so now we're going to open up Marvelous Designer. As you see, it's blank. There's nothing in it. File, Import, FBX. You're going to find the file that you want, and you're going to open it. The only thing you are changing in the Import FBX is from 100% to 1000%. So just one extra zero. Yeah. Okay, so 1000%. Hit OK. And there she is. She looks great. You can go over here, the little avatar, show avatar, arrangement points. They are there. Bounding volumes, they are also there. X-ray joints. Oh, let me clear these other ones. See, he is there. And they can click on it correctly. Rotate. So you could even change the pose that they are in if you wanted. Oh, her leg didn't move. Why didn't her leg move? Her arm moved. Why? Oh, y'all see, I'm learning. Oh, I clicked the wrong thing there. Oh, you know what? I bet that's what happened there too. I bet that's not what I was supposed to have clicked. Haha, there we go. You have to select the correct bone. Anyways, here we go. So as you see, it is moving. Control Z. We'll set these back. It just backs up. Anyways, that's all for now. Hope this helps because it was driving me bonkers trying to figure out how to do this. I know we used to be able to do it. I wanted it to do it again. Finally did it. Good night, folks. Have fun.